In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Evernote. If you're using Evernote and you run into a problem, have a question, or just need some guidance, the best way to get reliable help is through their built-in support options. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to get to the Help Center, starting from the Evernote web app. We'll go step by step, and I'll also share a few tips along the way to make sure you can explain your issue clearly and get the right kind of help. First, make sure you're logged into your Evernote account on the web. Once you're in, look towards the upper corner of the screen where your profile area is located. You should see your profile name or icon. This is usually where account-related options are grouped together. Click on your profile name. This opens a small menu with several options related to your account and settings. In that menu, look for an option labeled Need Help. This is the gateway to Evernote's support resources. Go ahead and click on Need Help. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse slowly through the menu and check for wording that clearly indicates help or support. Sometimes, depending on the layout or updates, the position might shift slightly, but it should still be available from this profile menu. After you click Need Help, you'll be presented with additional support choices. Among these, you want to find and select Help Center. Click on Help Center to open Evernote's main support page. This is where you can search for answers, browse articles, and in many cases find ways to reach out to Evernote's support team, depending on your account type. Once you're in the Help Center, take a moment to use the search bar to describe your issue in a few clear words. For example, you might search for lost notes, sync issues, or billing questions. Support articles are often very detailed and can solve common problems without needing to wait for a reply. If you do need to contact support directly, look around the Help Center for links like Contact Support or similar wording, which will guide you through submitting a request. And that's it. By clicking your profile name, selecting Need Help, and then Help Center, you'll quickly get to Evernote's official support resources and be on your way to resolving your issue.